ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। You can repeat. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामं रामो रामान्
रामं रामो रामान्
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
हे रामो हे रामाः
हे राम हे रामाः
There is some problem in my Zoom. Anyway, you can chant this Shabda today with me. Meanwhile, I think it will be said. All right. Ikarantaha pullingaha harishabdaha.
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
हरिहि हरि हरयः
हरिः हरिः
हरिं हरि हरीन्
हरिः हरिः
हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
हरिभ्यां
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरिभ्यः
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यः
हरेः हर्योः हरीणां
हरेः
हरियोः
हरिणां
हर्योः हरिषु
हरौ
हरियोः
हरिषु
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
So Hari Shabda is, you can mute your mic please. Hari Shabda Ikarantaha Pulligaha Hari Shabda. So the declension of Hari Shabda is like this: Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Harim, Hari, Harina. It is different from Rama Shabda. So any Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda is declined like this Hari Shabda. So you can take some examples. You can take example from the textbook what I sent. Any Ikaranta Shabdas are there. We can take some examples and try the same way as Hari. For example, if we take Muni, how do you decline the Shabda Muni? Muni Shabda. Akoshi, you start.
Yes, Guruji. Munihi, Muni, Munayaha, Munim, Muni, Munin, Munina, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha.
Munibhihi.
Sorry, Munibihi, yes, Munibihi.
Next one, Chaturthi.
Chaturthi, Munye.
No, not Munye. It is not Munye. Hari becomes Haraye. So what will happen to
Haraye, Munaye.
Munaye? It is Munaye.
Munaye. Munabhyam,
No, Munaye. Haribhyam is what will happen?
Munibhyam, Munibhyaha, yes. Munaye, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha. Muni.
Chaturthi Vibhakti is Munaye, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha. Now Panchami, start.
Munayehe.
Not Munayehe.
Sorry, Munehe, Munabhyam.
Munibhyam, not Munabhyam.
Munibhyam, Munibhyaha. मुनेः
Hariyoho is Hari becomes Hariyoho,
yes, Muniyoho,
not Muniyoho.
Munyo, no,
Yes, Munyoho.
Munyoho,
Listen, Hari Shabda, Hari, that E is removed and then Yoho is added, Hari Yoho. Similarly, in the Muni Shabda, E you have to remove. You get Mun, then Yoho you add, Mun Yoho.
Munyoho,
Mun Yoho. Muninam, simple.
Muninam, yes, Muninam,
Muninam.
Mun, Hari, no,
Hari is Haro.
Haro,
Muni will become
Munau,
Hmm.
Munau,
Same thing. Munyoho, you said the same thing.
Munyoho, Munishu,
Munishu.
Munishu, He Muni,
Ye Mune.
He Mune, He Muni, He Munayaha.
Yes. The same way other shabdas are there. You can see. The same way the other shabdas, Kavihi, Kavi Shabda, Rishi Shabda, Ravi Shabda, Hari Shabda, all these shabdas are there. You can try. You can try this as your homework. You can take some 2-3 shabdas and try.
Yes, Guruji.
All of you can try that. Now
Yes.
the next person can do it. I'll give another shabda. Rishi shabda is Ravi shabda you can take. Ravi, Rishi. Let us take Ravi shabda. The next person, you can do only Pratama and Vidya Vibhakti. Pratama and Vidya Vibhakti. After Akosh. Parulji, how do you decline Ravi Shabda?
Can you show me the start? This is Ravihi, Ravi, Ravayah.
First you describe Ravi.
Ikarantah, Pullingah, Ravihi, Shabdah.
Not Ravi, Ravi Shabda.
Ravi Shabdah. Prathama Vibhakti, Ravihi, Ravi, Ravayah.
It's okay. Next person. Next person will do the next Vibhakti. Akamsha.
Yes, Guruji. Guruji, can you show the first slide, please?
Yeah, sure. 1 minute.
Ravim, Ravi, Raveen.
Very good. Next person. Yajna Priyaji.
Ravino, Ravibhyam, Ravibihi.
Next person. Deepika. Chaturthi. Deepika, you can say. Okay. Not next person. Neelamji. Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Ravaye,
Ravaye.
Ravaye, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha.
Ravibhyaha, not Ravibhyaha. Ravibhyaha. Rasva. Next person.
Ravibhya.
Subhalakshmiji. Panchani.
Ravehi, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha.
Next. Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Sorry. Panchami.
Shashti.
This is Shashti. Okay. Shashti is Ravehe.
Hmm.
This is confusing. What's the next one, Guruji? Rave.
It is not confusing. It is simple. It is, what is that? Haryoho.
Haryoho, yes. Guruji.
Okay, listen to me. Hari becomes Haryoho. Hari becomes Haryoho. What happens, Hari? That is plus Repa plus E. That is
E.
Hari. That is, instead of E, Yoho is there. So you get Haryoho. Similarly, Ravi. You replace Hari by Ravi. So the same thing will happen.
Repa. Akara plus E.
You should be able to do all these things mentally and do this. It's not difficult. Plus Yoho becomes Rabyoho.
Rabyoho. Yes, Guruji. Got it now.
Yeah.
Rabyoho.
So Ravehe Rabyoho. The form is Ravehe Rabyoho. Then
And then it is Ravinam.
Ravinam. Hari is
Ravinam. Yes,
Ravinam.
Ravinam. Yes, good. Ravinam.
Deepika, are you there? Okay. Okay, you can continue. Next one also you can do.
Yes, okay. So next one is Saptami is Ravav.
Yes.
This would be Ravyoho and then Ravishu.
Yes.
Ravishu.
Ravishu. Continue. Last one also.
He Ravi, He Rave, He Ravi, He Ravayaha.
He Ravayaha.
Yes.
If you take this Shabda, Hari Shabda, the same way you can do. Okay. You can note, all of you can try this Shabda. You can try Hari, Atiti, Nidhi, these Shabdas, one more Shabda I'll give, 5 Shabdas, you can try. And you need to memorize the Shabda. You can please note, Hari, here Hari is enemy. Hari is Lord Vishnu. This Harihi Hari Harayaha. This Hari is Vishnu. Ha, sibilant. When it is verbal, then it is enemy. So you have to be careful when you say the word. So you can decline Hari Shabda, Agni Shabda, Atiti Shabda, Nidhi Shabda, and Dvani. Dvani means sound. Please note these words. So you can decline these Shabdas. Okay. Fine. I will
Sir,
send
you will
send this
send the
Hari
chat,
Shabda.
chat, no? Afterwards, I will send it in the WhatsApp, no? The chat, so we can copy afterwards.
I'll send you by WhatsApp. So, okay. This is Hari Shabda. Similarly, other Shabdas are there. One Shabda we will learn. I hope you all know, are familiar with the Rama Shabda. No Hari Shabda. Okay, the next one now. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Some problem is there, I think. Anyway, let us see. Not able to. Okay, we will continue with this exercise. The next one will start. Yeah, please, first person. Of course, you can continue. You can read. So here in this lesson, you will see the interrogative pronouns. Kaha, Ka, Kim. Let me explain that. We have seen Kaha. Remember what is Kaha?
What or who?
What or who? Yes. What is the Pratipadikam?
Kim.
Kim.
Very-
Kim
very good.
Shabda.
Kim Shabda. Akarantaha. Akarantaha. If it is
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Kim
Pullingaha.
Shabda.
Kim Shabdaha. And in Pullinga it is Kaha, Kau, Ke. Remember that we saw? Kaha, Kau, Ke.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
And in Strilinga, it, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it will be Ka. In Strilinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it will be Ka. That's why it is even Ka. And in Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it is Kim. Napumsakalinga. So, Kaha is Pullinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ka is Strilinga. And Kim is Napumsakalinga. Only Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam it is given. That is okay. That is enough for now. But, because that is exercise is going to deal only with Ekavachanam. So Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam it will come later. So you not worry about it now. Okay. Now please remember this and then read the lesson. Of course, start.
Yes. Ishaha kaha. Ishaha. Svarnakaha. Svarnakaha.
Swarnakaraha, read properly. Swarnakaraha.
Svarnakaraha. Sorry. Ishaha. Svarnakaraha. Who is this? This is jeweler or
Goldsmith.
Goldsmith.
Swarnakaraha.
goldsmith. Yeah, okay. Goldsmith.
Yeshaha, it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Etad Shabda. We have seen Yeshaha, Etau, Ete. I hope you remember Dakarantaha, Pullingaha, Etad Shabdaha, Yeshaha, Etau, Ete. So Yeshaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Swarnakaraha is also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So they are matching in Vibhakti and Vachanam. The sentence is valid. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha. If it is Dvivachanam, how will you do? If it is Dvivachanam, how will you do? It's not a difficult question.
Isho ki.
There is no Yesho. There is no word Yesho.
Well, sorry, ito ke.
Etau, not K. It's not even K.
No, ito ko. Oh, yes. Ito ko.
Etau, Kau. I think you need to remember
Ito.
this. Remember this. Kim Shabda, Kaha, Kau, Ke.
Yes.
Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Kim Shabdaha, Kaga, Kau, Ke. So Dvivachanam is Kau, Bhagavachanam is Ke. Similarly, Yeshaha, Etau. There is no Yeshau. Yeshaha, Etau, Ete. Yeshaha Kaha, Etau Kau, Ete Ke. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha, Etau Kau, Etau Swarnakarau.
Rao.
Like Rama Shabda, Swarnakara Shabda. Ete Ke, Ete Swarnakaraha. Right?
Yes.
You need to remember this and do the other Vachanam also. Okay, the next one you can read. 1 minute. Yeah.
Saha kaha. Saha luhakaraha.
This also you can take it as a homework. You can try other Vachanam. You have to write it. In the class you say, but you write it. Yeshaha kaha, saha kaha. When you write, you understand. Or you spend more time thinking what's the Pratipadikam and no. Okay, saha kaha. Who is that?
That is, I don't know,
Ironsmith.
ironsmith. Yeah,
So
that is an ironsmith.
convert this into Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Uh, uh,
Next person, anybody?
Toke.
Oh, pain is wrong. K is anybody?
Tau kau.
Tau kau.
Tau
Tau. Tau
Tau
lohakaro.
Rau.
Very good. Tau lohakaro. Bhagavachanam would be
Teke.
Teke.
Teke. Teke
Teke
lokaha.
Lokahari.
Te lohakaraha.
Lohakaraha. It's not difficult. Simple. Next person. Baruji, you can read the next one.
Yes, sir. एषः कः एषः मालाकारः
Yes.
who this is
Who is this?
who is this? This is malakara means
Garland maker.
this is garland maker. Oh,
Yes.
and then third vachana, bahuvachanam. Ete malakaraha. Correct, sir?
Yeah. Te malakara.
सः कः सः कुम्भकारः सः who is this?
Who is that? Not
Who
this.
is that? Who is that? That is kumbharakara means
Pot maker.
pot maker. To kau
Tau, not toe. There is no toe. Tau.
Tau kau and tau kumbhakaro.
Kumbhakaro.
Kumbhakaro. Then the third vachanam te ke and te ke te kumbhakaraha.
Te kumbhakaraha.
Kumbhakaraha.
You have to practice. Generally, the class will be able to read fluently.
Fluently, correct. Eshah kaha.
It's okay. Next person will read. Akanksha ji.
Yes, correct.
The next.
Eshah kah.
Yeah.
Eshah hastipakah.
Yes.
Who is this? This is an elephant rider.
Yes. Nahut. Okay. You can do Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
Etau kau. Etau hastipakau.
Good.
Ete ke. Ete hastipakaha.
Yes.
Saha kaha. Saha gopalakaha. Who is that? That is a herd gopalar.
Shepherd. Or the cow caretaker. Yes.
Tau kau. Tau gopalakau.
Yes.
Te ke. Te gopalakaha.
Good. Next person. Next person, the chat box. Who is the next person? Deepika ji. Deepika ji, I think your mic has got some problem. Take next person. Yajnapriya ji.
Yes, ji. Yeshah kaha. Yeshah rachakah.
Roshan.
Yes, ji. Now तौ बेटा हाँ कौ तौ तौ रचक ते के ते रचकाः सः
Ete, not te. Ete ke. You're using etad.
सः sorry जी सः कः सः चषकः तौ
What did you say? What did you read?
sorry जी तक्षकः I couldn't see properly तक्षकः
Takshakaha, carpenter.
carpenter
Okay. Takshakaha. Okay.
तक्षकः
Hmm.
now I should say सः no तौ कौ तौ तक्षकौ ते के ते तक्षकाः
Okay. Next person. Neelamji. You need to remember all these
yes
proper nouns. Vocabulary. Gachakaha, takshakaha, swarnakaraha, malakaraha, kumbhakaraha. No. Next person. Neelamji. You can do the next one.
एषः कः एषः आरक्षकः
Arakshaka means?
आरक्षकः policeman
Yes. Dvivachanam.
द्विवचनम एतौ कौ एतौ आरक्षकौ is it correct
Yeah.
okay सः कः सः सैनिक
Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam.
okay एते के एते आरक्षकाः
Okay.
सः कः सः सैनिकः बहुवचन sorry द्विवचन
Dvivachanam, not dvivachan.
yeah द्विवचनम sorry I forgot द्विवचनम सः
Tau.
yeah तौ कौ तौ सैनिकौ
Sainikau. Okay.
then बहुवचनम sorry I again forgot बहुवचन of सः is
All of you take the printout of this and keep it with you during the class. If you don't know, refer this, at least for time being. But you need to know by heart
Yes.
this one. All the Pratama Vibhakti only is given. It's not difficult to remember.
yeah
So that we have done exercise. So you need to remember.
yes
If you don't know, then now the class will go.
yeah ते सैनिकाः
K.
ते के
And
yeah,
others are also reading, right? You have to pick up from others reading.
yeah.
Sahatau K. Te K.
yeah
ते
ते सैनिकाः
Sainikaha. Next person. Subbalakshmi.
एषः कः एषः विदूषकः
Vidushakaha.
एतौ कौ एतौ
Yeah, please read.
कौ एतौ विदूषकौ
Vidushakau. Okay.
एते के एते विदु सः उद्यानपालकः
Udyanapala. You have to read.
उद्यानपालकः
Udyana. Read again.
उद्यानपालकः
Again, read again.
उद्यानपालकः उद्यानपालकः.
You mistake. I don't know whether you recognize your mistake. Udyana Palakaha, not Palakaha. That is Palakaha. Udyana Palakaha.
उद्यानपालकः.
Yes.
एतौ कौ एतौ उद्यानपालकौ.
Okay.
एते के एते उद्यानपालकः.
Ete Udyana Palakaha.
पालकाः.
Palakaha. Ete Udyana Palakaha.
पालकाः.
Okay, it is Udyana, Takara plus Yakara, not Uddana.
Okay, Guruji.
Next person, Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. Ekavachanam, Eshaha, Kaha, who is this? Eshaha, Nyayadishaha.
Nyayadhishaha.
Nyayadishaha. Dvivachanam is Etau, Kau, Etau, Nyayadishau. Is that correct, sir? Okay.
Yes,
Shau?
you read.
Okay.
Mistake is there. Yes.
Okay, Guruji. Bahuvachanam is Ete ke, Ete, Nyayadishaha.
Nyayadishaha only. Nyayadishaha. I think you all have to read this properly. Nyayadishaha.
Nyayadishaha. Okay, Guruji. Next one is Saha Kim. Who is that?
Saha Kaha, not Kim.
Oh, Saha Kaha. Saha Archakaha. This is a priest. Dvivachanam is Kau. No. Kau. Tau. Archakau. Bahuvachanam is Te. Ke. Te. Archakaha.
Okay, Archakaha. Next person. Not the Deepika. Again, Akoshi.
Yes. Nartakaha. Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Nartakaha. This is a king.
Not a king. He's a dancer. Nartaka
Oh,
means.
sorry. Nartakaha, dancer. Okay. This is a dancer.
Dvivachanam. Quickly, don't take too much time.
Eto, ko, eto, nartako. Bahuvachanam, ete, ke, ete, nartakaha.
Okay, next one, read.
Sahakaha, who is that? Saha, Gayakaha, that is a musician.
Okay.
Dvivachanam, Tau, Ko, Tau, Gayakau. Bahuvachanam, Te, Ke, Te, Gayakaha.
Yes, next person, Paruji.
Yes, sir. Eshaha Kaha. Eshaha Kaha. Uttara Kaha Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha means tailor.
Tailor. Then Dvivachanam. Tau, Kau.
Not tau. We are using etat. Etat shabda. It is etau. Eto, ko, and then eto, sauchiko. Sauchikau.
Sauchikau.
Why it is ko? Sauchikau.
Sauchikau. Then ete, ke, ete, sauchikaha. Then
Sauchikaha.
sauchikaha. Correct, sir? Then
Yes.
kumbhakaraha. Saha kaha. Saha kaha. This saha kumbhakaraha. Then tau kau. Tau kumbhakaro. And te ke te kumbhakaraha.
Kumbhakaraha. Next person.
Kumbhakaraha.
Akanksha.
जी गुड एषः कः एषः धीवरः who is this is a fisherman एतौ कौ एतौ धीवरौ एते के एते धीवराः सः कः सः व्याधः
Saha vyadaha. Vyadaha
व्याधः
is hunter.
okay तौ कौ तौ व्याधौ ते के ते व्याधाः
Vyadaha. Divaraha. Vyadaha. Sauchikaha. Kumbhakaraha. Nartakaha. All these are proper nouns. Qualified by the demonstrative pronouns etad and tad. In keeping with the vibhakti vachanam, the vibhakti is pratama vibhakti. Pratama vibhakti means first case. So the simple sentence pratama vibhakti, the subject of the sentence qualified by the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Then next sentence, next person. Yajna Priyaji.
Yes. एषः कः एषः चालकः
चालकः इत्युक्ते किं?
ड्रैवर्
ड्रैवर्.
चालकः
वाहनं चलति चालयति इति चालकः. चालयति इति चालकः.
Okay.
Chalaka is the one who causes to move. That's why chalaka from the chal. Dhatu is chal. Okay, we'll see that dhatu later.
Right.
Chalakaha, driver.
Yes. एतौ कौ एतौ चालकौ एते के एते चालकाः सः कः सः पत्रवाहकः तौ कौ तौ पत्रवाहकौ ते के ते पत्रवाहकाः
Patravahakaha. Patram ityukte kim? What is the meaning of
Postman.
patram?
paper
Patra.
Letter.
Patra is letter or paper. Patram vahati. Patram vahati iti patra vagakaha. The one who brings letter. It's a postman. Patra vagaka.
Yes.
Okay. Patra vagaka, postman. Now, Strilinga. Strilinge pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam etat shabdasya esha. Esha sa ka. Esha sa. Esha meaning this, sa meaning that. Ka is what or who. Strilinga. So, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana rupam, we don't know. Don't worry, we will see that later. Just remember these three words. Yesha meaning this, referring to the person or the objects which are Strilinga. Yesha. So you need to remember this. Esha, simple word. Sa, meaning that, referring to the persons or objects which are Strilinga. Similarly, ka. So, kaha, ka, kim. Kaha pullinga, ka is Strilinga, kim is Napumsakalinga. So you have to use kaha, ka, kim depending on the gender of the proper noun. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha kumbhakaraha, yeshaha lokakaraha, yeshaha rajakaha, yeshaha arakshakaha, yeshaha sainikaha. Idani yesha. Yesha is going to be, it is the demonstrative pronoun going to have proper noun. What is that? We will see. Next person, Neelan. Dhyanena patantu. What is dhyanena patantu? Patantu means read. Dhyanena, carefully. Dhyanena patantu. Yes.
Esha ka. Esha brutya.
Britya.
Brutya.
Esha. Esha.
Esha.
Esha pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Esha is pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam of the shabda. What shabda? Etad shabda.
Etad.
Takarantaha strilingaha etad shabdaha strilinga. Pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam esha. Similarly, makarantaha strilingaha kim shabdaha pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam ka. Esha ka. Esha bhritya. Bhritya is akarantaha strilingaha bhritya shabdaha. Pratama vibhakti ekavachana rupam bhritya. Akaranta shabda I will teach you later. Now you can just know the form. Esha ka, esha bhritya. Just reading.
Okay.
So dvivachanam, bhagavachanam, we don't know. So not required to do it now. Maybe in the next class we'll see. Just read and understand. Yes.
Sa ka. Sa shikshika.
Okay. Shikshika. Shikshika. Ityukte kim. Kaka artaha. Shikshika. What is the meaning? Shikshika.
Shikshika, teacher.
Teacher. Female teacher. Sa ka, who is that? She is a teacher. For a male teacher,
Shikshak. Shikshakaha. Shikshakaha.
Shikshakaha.
Shikshakaha.
Shikshakaha, Shikshika. Adhyapakaha, Adhyapika.
Yes.
Chatraha, Chatra. Try to remember the names for names and Pullinga and Strilinga. Shikshakaha, not Shikshikaha. Shikshakaha, male teacher.
Shikshika.
Shikshika, female teacher. Adhyapakaha, teacher, male teacher. Adhyapika, female teacher.
Female teacher.
Chatraha, student, male student. Chatra, female student. Okay, next person. Question. Oh, sorry. Who is after Neelam? Subbalakshmi.
Esha ka. Esha vaidya.
She is a doctor, female doctor. Male
Sa
doctor would be? Male doctor is
vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha vaidyaha. Yes, female doctor, yesha ka, yesha vaidya. Okay, then continue.
Sa ka. Sa lekika.
Writer.
Lekika. That is a writer.
Writer. Masculine, what would be?
Lekaha.
Lekha. Lekhakaha. Lekhakaha. Lekhakaha, masculine writer, masculine gender. Lekika, female. Next one. Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Esha ka. Who's this? Esha Makshika. This is a fly. Esha ka. Who's that?
Saka.
Oh, Saka. Sa Pipilika. This is that is a ant.
So Pipilika. Akshita. Okay, next one. Next person. Of course, can read.
Isha ka. Isha. Spalika.
Stalika. Stalika is
Stalika, a plate. This is a plate.
yes.
Saka, sa, dvichakrika. What is that? That is a bicycle.
Wait a second. Okay. Next person. Guruji.
Yes, sir. Esha ka. Esha gruhini.
Guruji.
Gruhini. Sa
Housewife.
housewife. Yes. This is sa ka. Sa sannyasini.
Okay. Next person. Here in this you can note. They are going to see later. All of you. This Britya, Shikshika, Vaidya, Lekika, Bhakshika, all these are Akaranta Shabda. Akarantaha, Strilinga, Shabdaha. Now here is introducing Virgini, Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabda. We have seen Karanta, Pullinga Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda, like Rama Hari. Now Strilinga also it is there. That is what is slowly introducing. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. And I told, if you remember, Strilinga Shabda generally end with the long vowels. So, Shikshika, Grihini, all these are Ikaranta, Akaranta, Ikaranta. Then Ukaranta also is there. It will come later. Okay, you can note that. Next one. You can read next person. Akanksha ji.
Esha ka. Esha putri.
What is the word for son?
Putraha.
Putraha. Okay.
Sa ka. Sa janani.
Yes. Janani. So, Putri, Janani, Ikaranta Shabda. Next person. Yajnapriya.
Yesha ka. Yesha sammarjani. Sa ka. Sa drauni.
Droni, not Droni.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see. Droni.
Droni. Sammarjani, Droni. Sammarjani, broomstick. That is Srilinga. Why broomstick is Srilinga, I cannot ask. The word is Srilinga. Sammarjani, Srilinga. Then male broomstick is there? No. Broomstick is, the word is feminine gender. Sammarjani. Droni, similarly, Droni, bucket. Next person. Neelamji.
Esha ka. Esha samdarvi.
Not Samdarvi. Samadarvi. Not this is not Hindi. Samadarvi.
Samadarvi. Yes. Sa ka. Sa kartari.
Samadarvi is a ladle, but used for cooking.
Yeah.
Samadarvi. Samadarvi is Strilinga. Similarly, Kartari, Strilinga. Okay. Fine. You can stop here. We'll see. Continue in the next class. Please do the homework. And you need to have all the shabdas fingertips. So you should be able to say immediately what is Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. That is first practice. Please do homework. Of course, you need to do homework. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Thank you, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಹರಿ.